Jim. Senator Tester would have liked to have been here today, but he is busy in D.C. doing what senators do in D.C. at this time. So he asked me to share these words. Continue to mourn the lives lost and the lives forever changed by the attacks on our nation. Although the attack took place, far rallied with all Americans, and together we showed the world our strength and our courage. America's strength comes from our sense of purpose and from our determination to build a stronger nation and a stronger world. A world where everyone can enjoy freedom and peace. Today is also a day to thank and remember our service members, veterans, firefighters, police officers, and emergency responders. Their heroism on September 11th and in the days and years after remain an inspiration to us all. Today I encourage Montanans to take a moment to reflect on where we have come as a nation and where we must go. And let us always cherish our freedoms and values that make the United States the greatest nation on earth. Sincerely, Jon Tester, United States Senator.